Yep, you gotta hop on. He's gonna show you everything.
Hold on, Dagan. Now you have to push this to run, so you put it in the middle. Don't go all the way off, it'll turn off. So put it one up. Okay, now throw yourself forward. Like, don't push the gas, you just kind of go like this.
Put one foot on the ground and push yourself forward.
Okay.
Give it a little push. There.
Okay.
Wait, no, stop! Wait! 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 Dagan! 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 Dagan, you just took off, man! That's what a helmet is for! That's what a helmet is for!
You're okay.
You're okay, you done? Why did you do that, man?
Dagan, settle down. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna do this lots of times.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You scared the shit out of me. Oh my god.
Is it recording still?
Yeah, no it was. Okay.
Alright, Dagan.
Yeah,
let me get... Dagan, let me help you. Want to take a breather here?
The brake. You should hit the brake, man. The brake.
It'll be okay.
Go to the waist.
Take a breather, buddy.
Let me videotape your...